Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gaming and All That Tech, and this is the part where I talk about all that tech. Well, today we'll discuss about how to book a virtual lab on Cisco Cloud. I will book a packaged contact center enterprise lab today from Cisco Cloud, and so let's start. Browse to the dcloud.cisco.com. The link is in the description and you will be able to see the Cisco homepage. Now log in with your Cisco ID if you already have one, otherwise create one and then log in. And now generally you might be prompted to select the data center nearest you when you first log in, but if you have already selected that in your user profile, you don't need to do so. And also you can choose any data center, as sometimes these are not available, so you can choose one or the other. Next you click on the catalog, and now you can either simply search for what you're looking for or expand these blue tabs at the left to see what all available options do we have. So I'm looking for PCCE here, and here it is. You can find it here, packaged contact center enterprise. And now I will select this and schedule the session. Just a few basic points here. You can either schedule a session to start immediately or schedule it for a later time. A session starts provisioning at the scheduled time and date, but it may take around 15 minutes or so to become active. So a session in general can be scheduled for up to 5 consecutive days, and you can also request an extension. But what I have noticed that since March end, it only allows us 3 days maximum, and maybe that's due to the COVID situation, but you can put an extension request still if you want to. And you can set the exact date and time either from here or simply drag this and click on schedule. Now schedule a single session as you just want to practice here, and then click next. These are the fields which you have to fill. The primary, use and revenue impact are the required fields here. So once this is done, you will receive a confirmation email with detailed information about the scheduled session later. And you can also open My Hub and go to Sessions and locate your scheduled session. The status of the session will display as scheduled or starting, depends. Once it is available, you will be able to see an option which is View. And here you have your session active. Now in case if you are too tech savvy and busy, then you can also download the dCloud app, which is available for both Android and iOS. The app has all the functionalities similar to desktop website. You can browse, filter, search or find content, schedule and edit share sessions there as well, except you can just not RDP, obviously due to the limitation of the screen size. But yeah, you can pretty much do everything on the app as well. And that's it guys. Tell me how you liked the video. Do you want more information, or if something was missing, please let me know. And thank you for watching. Thanks, have a great day. Bye.